Good morning, team, and welcome to today's edition of the Pool Guy. As you can see, we are filling the activity pool here. A couple facts about the activity pool: 250,000 gallons, and it also feeds the water to the drop slide tower, that tower over there. So we'll be able to get started on testing all these and getting going through them. Once again, this is the first video for the refill. We have more coming. Stick around. For now, enjoy the fill up. Hey team, all right, you can see that the water is about 90% to the pool level. We're getting there, we're pretty close. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is it so dirty? Two things. Water from the city always comes like this, all right? It's just, this is what sits in the pipes. Now, we also are getting hydrant water. Basically, we're flushing the hydrants for the city as well. We do own the hydrants. They are on our site and they are metered for anybody that's curious. We don't just take the water. We are metered. So we did that on purpose, actually. When we built the park, we said we would like the hydrants to be metered. So I own 4 hydrants on the park and I can feed from any one of them. Now it's just quite brown now. However, we will get it clear. That'll be next. Stand by. team. Just decided to show you what I'm working on right now. Unfortunately, we had a water main break deep underground. The 90 that was here, it's 3-inch to a 2-inch bushing. It was schedule 40. Must have shifted, it cracked, and I think this 90 was cracked too. Been having a leak for a little bit. Finally got to cut the concrete, but unfortunately, you could see, if you look down that hole, what it turns into is PEX. So right there where it's PEX, I don't know if that fitting is leaking or not. The 3-inch was already cracked, so by the time we were trying to test, it was just flooding this hole here. So we had to scratch that. So decided to go ahead and build it all out, and then we'll see if this, see if that PEX is leaking at that union right there. It's a threaded union. You see that, right? Hey, we'll see. We shall see. All right, got some more stuff coming for you.